Hello, everyone. Today we are going to take an interview with one of our top trader in Thinksabio, Krishna. And I have Krishna on the call. Hello, Krishna. Thank you very
Uh,
much for joining.
Hi Vishwa, thank you. How are
Hey,
you?
good, good. How are you?
Doing good?
Hey, so Krishna, we will start with a quick intro. I mean, we all know most of the people on Thinksabio know your contributions to the group, and most of the the trades that you take, whether they're just following you or they're taking the trades along with you, there is a high probability of success on your trades. So today we
Mhm.
want to uncover some of your trading styles and see how you pick the stocks, how you take the entries, how you take the exits, some of the criteria that you take, so that some of our members who want to learn and upskill themselves into trading, they can follow your trading style. So
Sure.
let's start with a quick intro about how you started your trading journey and how it all started and when how it started, how you developed.
Yeah, initially I started my like not the trading style, I can say like investment style. Okay.
Hmm.
So in 2017 or 2016, end of the 2016, I started my investment like with small amounts, not big amounts, like companies like Microsoft, Costco, CRM,
Hmm.
and like that. Okay, like five
Hmm.
or six companies I choose and I invested small amounts on it.
Hmm.
Then later on, I was introduced with TS with my brother-in-law. His name is Venkat Chirumamela.
Okay.
So then onwards, I slowly learned how to invest with the TS reports.
Okay.
Then one of my friend told me that options are very good, but it is very risky too.
Hmm.
So I learned something from my friend also. I can
Okay. Got
say,
it.
yeah.
Hmm.
So basically, I mostly do the trades with the candlestick pattern.
Okay.
Uh, so if you want me to explain, I can explain, and also
Sure.
I will use Ripster ATR
Got it. Got it. Okay.
scanner.
Yeah, we will get into the charts in a minute. And before getting into the charts and the full details, just want to quickly know. So you initially started with stocks in
Yeah,
2016, 2017, and then around 2019 you got introduced to Thinksabio,
yeah.
and you were following the reports. And then at what point did you start options? Is it in the 2020 during the pandemic you started options, or was it before that?
No, 2019 itself, I started with my friend.
Okay.
But that time I mean, in the TS, we are not concentrating on the options. I
Yes.
think we started. I mean, Thinksabio started on 2020 first quarter. I guess I'm
Mm-hmm.
not sure. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Yep.
first quarter or second quarter. So slowly the like Dhanunjay and Venugopal used to give the tickers
Mm-hmm.
like option alerts.
Yes. Options
So
alerts.
so yeah. So I started with my first trade option trade with Moderna,
Oh, Moderna. Okay.
which is not positive trade. It is bearish trade.
You lost on the trade.
No, I
Uh,
gained on the trade.
okay. You okay? It's a put. Basically, you got a put.
Yes,
Okay.
I took the put. I gained a lot of money on it.
Got it.
So
Got it. Okay. Do
yeah,
you do you by any chance remember your first trade percentage, the profit percentage?
I did that along with my friend 1200%.
Oh my God. Okay, that's cool. So
Yeah.
that's where you got hooked into options. Like this, there is
Yes,
real money.
yep,
Okay.
when I saw 1200%, like crazy, right? So
Yeah.
that's what the interest got to me. Like what is options?
Got it.
How to
Hmm.
learn? How fast we have to like we can earn and learn.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Got it. And then how long did it take from you from following someone till taking your own decisions in options?
How long? A
So
good
when did you
question, but
start
you know
taking your
what?
own trades? Yeah.
Simultaneously, I follow with my friend trades
Mm-hmm.
along with along with all other trade alerts like free Discord channels
Mm-hmm.
and Twitter.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody and so like one or two times I will blindly enter into the trades. Okay, options.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I got to loss.
Okay, got it.
So then I stopped the following on Twitter and Discords like that. Okay.
Right.
Then I asked my friend like, "Hey, friend, I followed these people, so I got lost. What should I do?"
Mm-hmm.
He told me that first learn the techniques.
Got it. Okay.
First learn the candlestick patterns like
Mm-hmm.
that. He told me, and yeah, I found online that patterns.
Mm-hmm.
So I downloaded the PDF, and I
Okay.
have like one or two books also on that particular trading Bible kind of like
Okay.
candlestick trading Bible. Yeah, I have one or two books. I don't remember, but
Okay.
I will check.
Sure. Sure.
So
Okay.
I used to read that patterns like thoroughly. Like
Got it.
whenever I got a chance, I will open. Like I can say most people will watch whenever they got the time. They will watch like movies or something like web series as like that. But I don't.
Right. Okay. Got it. So you use that time instead of entertainment, you learned the candlestick patterns.
Yeah, I will allot the time to my family life and family entertainment like that. But whenever I got like single, I mostly watch the videos like candlestick pattern videos only.
Do you have any particular YouTube channel that you follow for these candlesticks, or is it just you just Google, you
No,
just search and read?
there is one channel one Indian Telugu guy channel is there. I don't remember his name. I will tell later on the uh,
Okay, sure,
yeah.
sure. Okay. So you can share it to our listeners.
Yeah, also I shared some of our team members. I'm sure I have some of the names
Got
here.
it.
I mean,
Mhm.
who send me the personal messages. I
Mhm.
will
Yeah,
always
you'll
tell
be
them
getting a
that.
lot.
Yeah, I will always tell them that please learn. Don't follow me. First
Yes,
learn, then follow me.
right, right. I mean,
Yeah,
that's the whole point of this interview is that we wanna take your brain and where you have learned, and then how you have learned, and what are the key things. Since you have a very good success ratio,
yeah,
instead there is a lot of noise on the market. There is a lot of people who are selling indicators. They'll say this is the holy grail, this is that, this is that.
hmm,
People get confused and they'll get distracted with everything happening. So
yeah,
what we thought, Sai Garu and all of us, we thought was like, we'll take some of your brain. So
yeah,
we will focus on the things that you have used or you use on daily basis, since
yeah.
we all know you're pretty successful in what you're doing.
Hmm.
So thank you for that. And
No problem.
what is your trading style predominantly? Is it short term or is it swing trading? What do you like, and what is your
Yeah,
trading style like?
yeah. I have a good success rate on day trade. Immediately,
Mm-hmm.
like if I open the trade, immediately I will close within like 15-20 minutes or within the day.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
I have a great success on it.
got it.
When I am very comfortable to hold that, I'm going to loss or the profit wise is very less I saw so
Got it.
far.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I am also working on the swings style trading.
Okay.
So still I have to learn on it.
Got it. So you're very comfortable on day trading. You're trying to get into swing a little bit for a week or two, and then I don't know. Your How about the investment? How is that going for long term?
Yeah, it's going good only. Yeah.
Okay. But then if you hold it more than a day, for the most part, you said it. most likely end up in losing. If you quickly get in and get out in 15-20 minutes on a day
Uh,
trade, you're making money.
yep.
Okay, okay, got it. Good to know.
You, yeah, because in the market mostly day trade people are there.
Right.
Okay, whenever
Hmm.
whenever the trend they saw the trend on the market, they will enter and they will quickly came out from like $10, $20, $30 like that.
Right.
Okay, like that if they do per option $30, they do 5 options. It's around $150.
Right. Right. They'll go with
So
scale and they'll come out quickly.
yes, yeah.
Okay. Um, Wonderful. Thank you. And then the other question I have is, so let's get into the stocks and how you trade, right? So before we look at how you enter and how you exit, you have to first have a set of stocks that you'll be either looking or scanning, right? How do you pick your stocks? Let's start there, and see how you pick your stocks before we get into how you enter and exit them. So how do you pick your stocks? How do you scan? Do you have a scanner or do you have a set of stocks? How does that work?
I don't have any scanner, but mostly, I mean, if you see my past trades, I am into like Nvidia,
Mm-hmm.
Costco, Microsoft, CRM, Tesla.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, like I don't have particular scanner to get the stocks.
Okay. So do you have like a list of stocks and then you have like 8 charts, you look at that, or how do you say you have 10 stocks, right? In your list that you just said we have five.
Hmm.
How do you pick Nvidia today and not Costco? How do you know, like, will you keep an eye on Nvidia or do you have a watch
Every
list?
time, yeah, I mean, every time I will check the
Okay.
option flow website.
Okay.
So there, I mean, whatever who buy like large volumes and regular volumes also, they will
Mhm.
post on their website. It is
Okay.
15 minutes delay from the market time. Okay,
Hmm.
uh, so whenever I see the like more positive premiums, like calls,
Hmm.
I'll go with the calls on options.
Hmm.
And whenever I see the bearish
Hmm.
for the long term investment, I will wait for that. Whenever I see the lowest price or whenever they are betting maximum on bearish style,
Hmm.
so on that day I will choose to invest long term on that particular stock.
Okay. So we was talking just before the recording, and then I have opened the options website for our
Yeah.
guys. Anyone who is interested or curious about what is the website that Krishna looks at. It's called Option Strat. He also mentioned that he's not going with the premium. He will simply use the free 15-minute delay version, um,
Yes, live flow.
live flow, and
Yeah.
that's it. So you have few tabs here, and he basically looks at live flow. So Krishna, one question is, if you don't know which ticker, let's say you have 20 stocks,
Yeah.
how do you know which stock is on the move out of the 20? Do you look at here?
Yes, I mean, obviously, I will go to the trigger box and I will type whatever in my mind. I want to choose today NVIDIA. I can check with NVIDIA name.
Okay, so you will basically add SPY, NVIDIA, and for example, you have Costco and Tesla. For example, you will add all of them,
Yeah.
and basically
Uh,
you will have the flow here, 15
yes.
minute delay. You will
Yeah.
see which one, and you look at the premium, right?
Premium.
As it comes, you will basically look, someone buys something for 132K, sell
So
400. This is obviously a bullish trade.
it's yeah, it's a bullish. If we see like any sell calls like 400
Mhm.
puts like more than we saw only one there, right? If we see
Yes,
like two or three or four, then definitely it's going to be a bullish trend on SPY.
got it. Okay, just selling puts.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you care about the type? Do you think sweep is
Mm,
more effective than? the splits or just regular trades?
No, I
Okay.
mean, I don't care about that. Only
Okay, you only look
premium,
at the premium.
only
Okay.
premium, expiration date, and the volume of the strike,
Mm-hmm.
and like I said, like premium value.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll get there in a second when we go into the. Okay, so you have a list of stocks: SPY, Nvidia, Costco, Tesla. But what if some stock that comes out of nowhere, for example, AI, right?
Mm-hmm.
Before the whole AI thing, I'm assuming you don't know that stock, or you don't have that on your watch list, right?
Yes.
But then all of a sudden this comes up, AI. I mean, the stock is making 100%, 200% move. Do you, once you see that, you'll simply come here and you'll add it here?
I will check first. Like here, I don't add anything here. I will check AI how much premium they are paying,
Okay.
and how what is the capacity of the company.
Okay.
I will check everything there.
And where do you check it? Do you check on the options tab here, the premiums?
Yeah,
Okay. You'll basically check here
yeah,
and
and
you'll see the volume.
that's why I share, like before also in our web like channel.
Hmm.
I took the $50 strike
Okay.
January 2024, I guess. Yeah,
January 24. Okay. So you
yeah,
took the $50 strike.
fifty
That's
dollar
because,
strike, and for that strike we paid at the time 285.
okay.
Okay,
It's about a
then
330 now.
yeah, then it went down to 165 too. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
but sometimes I'm not updating, like whenever it go down.
Hmm.
If I mean, if I update, many people sometimes they are blindly jumping into the strike, right?
Hmm.
So they want to know, like what is what, how much capacity they have to invest on that particular strike.
Right. Okay.
That's why sometimes I'm not updating.
Hmm.
Whenever I jump in, like my average is 285. It
Hmm.
the strike value dropped into 160,
Uh-huh.
which is like around 30% difference.
Right.
Okay,
Hmm.
so I have the capacity to enter on that one, like 1 or 2 or 5 or 10, 20. Okay,
To average it. Okay.
yeah, to average down.
Okay. Okay. So you
Okay,
average
but
it when it goes down. Okay.
yes, but this is the long term strike. That's why I'm not updated. Okay,
Hmm.
if it is like 10 days strike or 1 week strike, definitely I'm going to update on the channel.
That you are averaging it at
Yes,
that
I
point.
did the average at the certain price, and I did like my average is so and so.
Okay.
Yeah,
And then
short term
mhm.
strikes, I definitely update that.
Okay. And then you do not add the new stocks or the booming stocks in here. You don't add it. You'll just have your set of 10 or 20 stocks.
No,
Okay. Got it. So that's
yeah,
how you
and
pick your
also,
stocks.
yeah,
Okay.
sorry, and also most of the time, always on the Twitter we will get the fast news, right?
Uh-huh.
So I will follow the Twitter, like whenever if you ask me like how do you know about AI, right?
Yes.
The
Yes.
other day I saw the news on Google
Mm-hmm.
and Apple News
Uh-huh.
and also Twitter.
Got it. Got it. Okay. So
Immediately, like not immediately, I have waited like 1 or 2 days.
mhm.
Then the stock value at the time is $22 or $23,
Okay.
and I entered for whatever I have. Like I want to invest on that particular stock $10,000.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I have invested on first phase around 4,000.
Okay.
Okay, so I will go on phases wise. If it is go down, I will add more. If
Got it.
if the stock is going up, I will trim my position.
Got it. So you almost entered somewhere on Feb 2nd, around Feb 2nd.
Yeah.
Okay. So you did not know about it throughout this run here. You entered
Yes,
it
before
almost. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Before I don't know that stock. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And how do you feel in your mind? Because at that point, let's just say from its previous low, it's almost 123% up.
Yeah.
What gave you the confidence to think that it will go even further
The only
from?
thing, the only thing I saw the news, which is like Microsoft is investing huge.
Okay.
I know the Microsoft style. Okay,
Hmm.
if they are investing on something, they want to buy that company. First thing.
Got it. Okay.
Okay, they have their own plans.
Hmm.
Like that. Microsoft they acquired like many companies recently, right?
Right. Right.
So blindly, like I trusted on Microsoft for this particular investment,
Hmm.
and the investment I choose like only like $4,000-5,000.
Okay.
So that is first phase.
Got it.
So
Got it.
I did not put entire amount on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood. And so that's how you look, like you look at the Twitter news and news here and there, and then you will have an eye on the stock. If it is something out of your list, of course you have a list of stocks, and then probably after this call I'll try to get the list from you. So if anyone is interested in those stocks, they can have it as well.
Yeah, they
um,
have already I have shared in our stocks channel too.
okay, cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then now the second thing, so we have how you pick your stocks and how do you enter the trade, right? Do you want to take an example of one of your recent trades that you remember, so we can just look on the chat on what is the criteria that you look while you take the entry and take the exit and stop loss? Do you have anything that you want me to open so we can just quickly go through an example?
Yeah, open the Tesla.
Tesla. Okay. And what time frame are we looking at?
Tesla, I do like 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame.
Okay,
And on whatever stock I want to enter, mostly I will go with 5 minutes and 15 minutes.
got it. Okay, so
Because
okay,
yeah, you know what? Because I don't know, I am not that success on swing trades.
got it. Okay,
If I am going on swing trade, I will take like more than week mostly.
understood. Okay,
Yeah.
and um, so let's just say Monday, right, or last Monday, for example, um, you were you just logged into your system, and then you are looking at this website here. You see a lot of calls on Tesla or a lot of puts on Tesla. Is that why you will open Tesla chat? Is that the main
Ye-
reason?
ye- yes.
Okay. And around what time would you check that website? Like, is it like first 30 minutes or first 1 hour?
To enter the trade, you are asking?
No, to decide which ticker to pick, because you have a list of 10 to 20 tickers, right?
Yeah.
So at what time will you decide, okay, today I will trade Tesla?
Like pre-market only, I will decide that okay,
Okay.
I wanna trade today. I mean, if I see the Nvidia like 3%, 4%, 6% on pre-market positive,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I will decide that let's see the Nvidia chart today and then do the day trade.
Got it. Got it. Okay. So we have
Okay.
Tesla chart here.
Yeah.
And which day you want to look at? It's 5 days, 15-minute chart. You want to look at, this is till third, 3 last Friday, five
Friday.
days. Friday chart. Okay. So this is the
Uh,
Friday. Yeah. Okay. So we
yeah.
have Tesla chart and you have seen the pre-market.
Yeah.
Uh, okay.
Pre-market. Yeah. Pre-market. We saw that like big handle green candle over there.
Yes.
Then after that, once we the market open,
Hmm.
the buyers came in.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
when I see that candle, that type of candle,
Mhm.
okay, immediately I will enter.
Got it. Okay.
Immediately means like not on first 2 to 3 minutes.
Hmm.
Always I will go with 5 minutes chart there, because I
Okay.
know I want to do day trade only.
Okay. And this is 15-minute chart. You want me to switch to 5 minutes?
Yes.
So this is 5 minutes, and okay, so we are right here. So which candle? So this is the opening, right? Which candle would you
Yeah,
enter the trade?
there are two candles. One is red and the green is that one. Yeah.
Hmm.
So the next candle is completely green.
Yeah.
Okay. On the top of that candle, I will enter. When I see when I see this pattern, I
Hmm.
will enter on the top of the candle, which means like once candle form at 6:10, 6:16. Okay.
Hmm.
Candle forming starts at morning 6:30, 6:46.
Right. So this is at
5:10,
8:30 Central. This is 8:35. This is 8:40. So this
8:40.
is yeah. So it starts at
Okay.
8:40.
Yeah. Then I will wait for 8:44 like that.
Somewhere around
Then
here. Okay.
yes, the candle must be like more than half of the percent should be green.
Got it. Okay. So it should be more than half of okay. So the overall candle, it's already a wick here and a wick here. So you want the close to be above more than half. Got it.
More than
Okay.
half before candle.
More than
Before the
half of the
candle.
before
Yeah.
one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. So it should be somewhere. It's this is the middle. So you will wait till it goes here for the fourth minute, around fourth minute, and then
Yeah.
you'll take a position. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got it. And then how do you pick the strike from here? So right here it's 194.
Yeah. So I think the same day I took that 200 strike, because Tesla always if it move 10, 20, 25 is peanut for that.
Got it. Okay.
Okay. So
Uh-huh.
I will check the option flow at the
Mm-hmm.
time. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
To make sure that is any new entries are there or not on
Okay.
that particular options. Okay.
Got it. Mhm.
And the volume of the call.
Okay, got it. So you'll go here and then you'll pick the same day. It should be
The
3-3, but we don't have that. So you'll check the volume right here on the
next
strike.
week, when I enter, when I want to take the trade,
Mm-hmm.
Thursday or Friday, most of the time I don't take that, but the same following week I will go for the next week.
Got it. You don't like to trade zero DTE.
Zero DTs. Yes.
Got it. Okay. So you look at so you already took trade at 10th March. Okay. So you looked at 200 and then you
Yep.
look at the volume.
Yep.
So it is higher than any other strike right here with highest
Yep.
opening. Okay.
Yep. And also open interest also highest.
Right. Right. Compared to any
So
other strikes
yes.
nearby. Okay.
Yeah. So I will choose that one, and the premium next,
Mhm.
like how much premium we are paying for that.
Okay. Okay. So it should be between a certain range for you. How is that premium factor?
I mean, for Tesla, I can go like if I am taking like weeklies,
Hmm.
I will go max to max 700
Okay. That's your upper limit. Okay.
upper limit.
Okay. And
Yeah,
then
I'm
you basically look at this website as well before you take the trade, right?
yes.
Okay. Okay. And you should see the Tesla 200 call somewhere here with a big number.
Yeah, 200, 200, 195, 200, 210, 225, like that. If I see that,
Hmm.
I will average that, and I will average means like I don't calculate particularly, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So 190 strike, there are like multiple whales are buying 190 or
Hmm.
195, 200, 225, like that. Okay.
Right.
So I will choose the mid one, like 198,
You can,
200, yeah,
yeah, there are a lot of 200
yeah,
calls already right
yeah.
here.
See,
Okay,
yeah,
200. There
210,
are
somebody.
they're also selling a lot of calls, but this is, this is not a working day, so this is not a trading day. So you will see
Yeah.
some stale data, but you don't want to see a lot of puts here in other way, in other words.
Other way, I don't even think I mean when I choose that I want to do calls, then I will check the pattern of the candles and I will go and check the calls only on the option stock.
Got it. Okay. Okay. And okay. So and then the premium should be within the range.
Yeah, and moreover, when I enter the stock, okay,
Mm-hmm.
I mean calls, if
Mm-hmm.
it is going below 30% or 40% within the 10 minutes or 6 minutes, okay,
Mm-hmm.
immediately I will take the hedge.
Okay. So you'll buy a put.
Yeah.
Okay. And so let's just say 30% in next 10 minutes, you will buy a put. And how do you decide the put? Do you buy which strike would you take for the hedge?
Closer. I don't go long put.
So let's
Okay.
say 195 something.
Suppose the stock is at 195. I took the
Mhm.
220 call. Okay.
Okay.
When I enter after 6 minutes, 10 minutes, the stock
Hmm.
is going 190.
Okay.
Okay. Already at 190, which means $5 drop after I entered. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So I will take that like 185 put,
Okay.
and I will match that. Once I get my money, I will close
Hmm.
both of them immediately.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay.
I
So
don't
you will.
I don't wait for the profits there because I
Got it.
don't want to lose my investment there.
Got it. Got it. Okay. So
That's why,
instead of taking the loss, you will take a hedge and then you'll make money on that. And then you will make sure the 185, for example, the 210 call, if you bought it for, let's say, $200.
yeah,
And then by the time it reaches to 190, the $200 is down to 160 something. You'll
yeah,
buy 185. By the time stock drops from 190 to 185, you will basically make, let's say, $60 on the put, and then you lose around $60 on the call. You'll basically close both the positions. You'll try to break even at that point.
yes, yeah,
Okay, that's an excellent strategy. Okay.
yeah,
And
yeah,
you don't cut losses simply like that. You will actually take a counter position.
yeah.
But then quick question is, what will you do if the price is trading in a range? Let's just say, someday, like this, for example, if it's choppy, right? It
Uh,
goes all the way here, it takes a sudden turn. What if you take a put here and then buy a call and you're actually stuck in
you,
it?
re, I mean, you might remember. I got to know now. I saw the W pattern here. The
Uh-huh.
same day I enter on the Tesla. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay. I have waited till morning to close that on the profit.
But it went all the way
Yeah,
down
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Okay.
I think somewhere, I'm not sure whether when I took that,
Mm-hmm.
but I saw the W pattern. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
W pattern is basically the
Yeah, head shoulder. Head and shoulder. Yeah.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
reverse head and shoulder. Okay,
Reverse head and shoulder. Yeah.
yeah. So it's a bullish signal for the stock.
Yes.
So I
You
have
took it here.
entered and I got it going down, and I have waited.
Mm-hmm.
Then immediately we have a investors meeting day on
Yeah.
31st.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have waited for that. Next day morning, I sold half of that
Mm-hmm.
because I don't want to lose entire amount. Okay. Next day
Okay.
I sold for half around each strike $60 or $80 positive, whatever
Got it.
I have invested.
Mm-hmm.
So the entire strike I got loss around $2,000.
Got it. Okay. So I mean, it's obvious we cannot time everything right every
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
There's a chance. But my other question is, for example, if a stock is in a range without making any move up or down, for example, right here, right from here to here, it is going sideways. It's killing the premiums.
Yeah.
how do you position your trade if it is like this? Will you think like, okay, there is no move, will you exit here, or you will wait for the next day? How do you deal with that?
I will wait for the next day. If the option is not, if I lose more than 50%, I will close the option at the immediate time frame. Okay.
Okay.
If not, I lost only like 20%, 25%, 30%. I will wait until tomorrow morning.
So 50% is your hard stop. Can I say that?
Not like that. 70% also I can go sometimes. Like
Sometimes.
most of the times I prefer to choose Tesla or Nvidia or
Hmm.
whatever high capacity stocks, movable stocks. I'll go
Okay.
with 50%.
Got it. Okay. And then we also touched a little bit prior on the ATR and DTR. ATR, for our listeners, it's daily true range, and ATR is average true range for 14 days.
Yeah.
And then this is an indicator, right? We can share it along with the video. This is an indicator from one of the traders called Ripster. And basically what it says is it will basically show the range of a stock on average for last 14 days. For example, for Tesla, it is $11. That means Tesla can from here can go up or down $11. Um, so, and Krishna, we spoke about that a little bit. So do you want to touch base a little on the ATR? How do you use it for your profit taking or strike selection?
ATRs, yeah. Uh, Basically, the average moving price is like example $10 plus or
Mhm.
minus on that ATR.
Uh-huh.
So I will choose the option like close to the ATR level or above to the ATR level.
Okay. So for
It it
example, you're buying 194 here, and then you think that it will go up somewhere plus or minus $11.
$11, right?
Mhm.
So which is 205.
Yes,
Okay. So uh, instead of 205, I took the 200.
because you saw the volume here
More volume on that website.
options,
And
right?
yeah,
Okay, okay, makes sense. And you said you don't have any um, particular strike for your stop loss or particular level. It's just based on percentage. I mean, if it's 30%, if it's going against you, you will buy a hedge, and then you'll try to exit the trade. If it is basically less than 50% for a gap down or a gap up, you'll try to exit it without any hedge, right? You can only
yes,
hedge it if it is on the same day. I mean, if it is a gap up or a gap down, you're probably down 50% anyway. So
yes, yeah.
yeah, okay. And do you look at any other Greeks like implied volatility or theta or any market events, Fed
Um,
meetings, or any ERs? Do you care about them?
yes, yeah. Years. Obviously, everybody should care about that. And
Hmm.
yeah, meetings. Definitely, I will follow the meetings.
Okay,
Whenever we have the meetings, I will always hedge my portfolio, entire portfolio.
got it. Okay, got it. And do you um, how do you like? Will you buy just puts on SPY, or will you buy puts on each individual stock that you
No,
own? How do you
no,
hedge?
only on SPY.
Okay, you'll buy SPY puts. Got it.
Yeah, SPY puts. I mean, if the anyways, I don't take like more open positions. I don't want to keep on my portfolio.
Hmm.
If max to max, I have open positions means like I can say three or four.
Got it. Okay,
That
understood.
is the maximum in my portfolio open positions.
Understood. Okay. And let's step back a little, and then we talked about your entry. For example, you have this big candle. You basically look at the candles, and then we look. For example, SPY. If I open SPY, we were talking about SPY the other day, and then um, we were looking at the 15 minutes. 15
Yeah,
minutes is when you will try to identify the patterns on the candles. So I think this is the hammer that I think
Yeah,
we
yeah,
discussed. That
yeah.
that's what made you think that it is
And
actually
and
going to go up.
and also we have to check here one more thing.
Hmm.
Um, the same day SPY got lower, 391.85 is the lowest. Okay.
Yes.
So then we saw the hammer there,
Yes.
which means the support, super support it has on SPY.
Hmm.
Like
Yeah.
more support, more buyers came in.
Hmm.
So definitely it should go up. Not it should not. I mean, there is no chance at all to go down from there.
Got it. Okay. So you
Yeah.
see this hammer here, right? And then you wait.
Ye-
You have to wait till market morning, and you switch to 5 minute candle.
yes, I will. I will always. I will always. Whenever I am, I want to take the call or puts. I will go with the 5 minutes.
And then this is the 5 minute. And at which candle would you take the position somewhere here? Because this is, I think this is the one that's more than 50% of the previous red candle.
No, the previous red candle is like kind of a hammer.
Hmm.
Did you see?
And then a doji, yeah,
Yeah,
right here, yeah, it's like a
yeah.
hammer
So
and
the
a
next
doji.
candle, the next candle is above the doji,
Hmm.
and I will and if I want to enter on this situation, I will go with that whatever you clicked
Hmm.
on that candle only I will enter.
Got it. Okay. And then because the ATR is 5.74, at this point it is 392. So you'll add around $5.5. That's about 397, 398. And then you will pick that strike if that matches with some of the strikes here.
Most of the time I will do that, but like when we saw that it is showing the candle amount is showing 392 something, 390,
Mm-hmm.
393.
392, 393
Okay,
are close to.
okay. So since I am doing day trade,
Mm-hmm.
I will check the premium, like how much premium uh, uh, today.
Right here.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, when the opening was around example $3 for that
Mm-hmm.
particular strike.
Got
Okay,
it.
when I want to enter that the same strike,
Mm-hmm.
if I see like only 50 cents or 60 cents, I will blindly enter on that particular strike,
Oh, I see. Okay. Got
because
it.
already we got very good entry on that.
Right.
And closer strike, definitely it can move like $1 definitely.
Easily. Yes. Okay.
Okay, so
And
that time I will choose 395 strike
395, which is close to and within the ATR also.
within the ATR, which is close, and also the premium which we are paying is very lesser than what the other pay already.
Right, right. Okay.
Yeah.
And and then what is your exit? Like what is your exit strategy? At what point do you think, okay, this is enough? Do you have like a percentage or do you wait for it to go in the money? How do you plan your exits?
Sometimes I will wait for the in the money calls.
Okay, so for example, if you buy 395, you wait for this candle and it goes in the money and then you will sell it.
Yeah,
Okay, somewhere here.
yeah.
Okay. And
And that time also I will sell whatever, like I have 30% only I will sell, because the next candle saying that from the top red candle
mhm,
yeah, okay,
mhm,
there is a push from the bottom.
right. At
Yeah,
the
okay,
close. Yeah.
yeah, I will clearly check that candles first.
Okay.
Okay, then I will sell 30% of the stock there.
Okay.
I
So
mean
you'll sell
30%
30
of the,
here. You'll sell
yeah,
30
30.
here.
No. The there I will sell 30% of the calls.
Okay.
Okay, then I will wait for the candle.
Mm-hmm.
If I don't see the wick
Mm-hmm.
under that candle, I
Mm-hmm.
will sell my position.
All of it.
Yes,
Okay.
if I don't see,
Okay.
I mean, I don't care whether it is going up or down.
Okay. That's cool. Okay.
I don't want to lose my money.
Got it. So you see a wick. then
I
you
see.
stay in.
Yes.
Okay. So after this, where do you sell the remaining position? Do you sell
Yeah.
some here, some here?
Some I will sell like at the three 397, 98 like that.
Oh, some all the way here. Okay.
Yeah,
And
396, 97 like that.
what will you do, for example, in a scenario? It is here. You see the wick. You wait. It's green, green, boom, boom, boom here.
Yeah.
What if it just goes down from here? So you see, the price is actually going down. You still see the wicks, but it
You
will
know
actually
what?
go down.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah. Let me explain here.
Okay.
Once I sell 30%, then immediately I saw the red candle on the
Hmm.
bottom. There is a small wick. I
Yep.
know that next candle is going to come on green.
Okay.
Definitely, I can guess. I mean, not gesture. If somebody has something technical, definitely they got to know that the next candle is coming on green.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
then the candle close on green. The same candle situation here, it is showing that there are more buyers and sellers are same on that particular candle.
Yes. But at the
Okay.
end, buyers have took the step,
Yes,
the lead. Okay.
yes. The next candle, the buyers immediately taking the charge.
Right. Right.
So it went all the way up.
Hmm.
Okay. Then then I will sell some position at the fourth candle. Yes, there.
Right here.
96, 97 like that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Then whatever leftover I have the position,
Hmm.
most of the time I don't want to check the each candle like that. I
Hmm.
will put the limit sell order.
Got it. Okay. And then what is the criteria on the limit sell? Is it by strike or by percentage?
Depends how much I got the
Profit.
amount, profit
Okay.
amount. Okay.
Hmm.
So, and also whatever I will put that like limit sell order,
Okay.
that is completely profit amount,
Understood.
not from
Okay.
the investment.
Okay.
Always whatever I sold for the last items, like last calls,
Hmm.
that is entirely from the profit.
Okay. Okay. But you will make sure that whatever you're leaving at the very end is
I will, yeah, I
okay.
will take minimum percentage of the profit there, like I can say 10%, 15%.
Hmm.
Because if I spend $10,000 on it, I will take
Hmm.
1500 profit on that one. Overall 11,500 I will sell. Okay.
Hmm.
And then whatever leftovers are there, I will put the limit sell order,
Got it.
which is completely additional profit to me.
Understood. Okay.
If it is not, if it is not trigger, no
Hmm.
problem. Anyways, we have time, like 2 days, 3 days time.
Got it. Got it.
So
Okay.
I don't care. Next day morning, anyways, I will get the profit, but
Hmm.
not that much. That
Right.
that that I know, right?
Because the theta will kill the premium and
Yes, yes.
okay.
Instead of getting 400, I can say like 250 or 200 is fine, because
Hmm.
that is only profit amount. I
Right. Right.
already took 1500 profit on 10,000 investment within like 2 hours or 1.5 hour or 4 hours like that.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And one more thing is, for example, there are many binary events, and in a market such so volatile, any one news can kill. And where I'm going with this is the risk reward, and position sizing, right? So when
Mhm.
you say you have, you are basically somewhere here. I believe there is, I think a Fed meeting something on this particular piece
Mhm.
here.
Mhm.
Let's just say it's going up, or let's just say it's just going up without any meeting, but
Mhm.
then some crazy announcement will come, some news about something, and then
Mhm.
the price just crashes down, right? Like you'll not see the candle patterns and all. I mean, you'll just see like one big candle that is like they call it the killer candles, right? Or the death
Yes,
candles.
yes.
How do you deal with those kind of situations? How do you position your risk, and reward in those conditions?
So if I have the full position for that time, I will close whatever I get.
Okay, you don't care percentage, nothing. You simply close, just right click sell.
Yeah, I mean, if I invested 10,000 on that particular calls,
Mm-hmm,
bad news came,
mm-hmm.
and the 10,000 it went to $4,000. So
Okay,
immediately I got $6,000 loss. Yes, okay, let's fold it, and that's it.
that's it. Okay, you don't
Yeah.
think it will, oh, let's hope it will go up. No, nothing like that. You'll,
Oh
even if it
no,
goes up, you'll
if
not
we
care.
wait, if we wait at that particular time, we are
Mm-hmm.
going to lose it more, 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 more.
Lose everything. Okay, so
Yeah.
no hope. You'll wait for one candle, that's it, you'll close it.
Yeah, and
Okay.
the like last time, I remember that one of the stocks everybody is selling, and I took the call.
Okay.
I know that there is a rumor on it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because of the market overreaction, everybody is selling that,
Mm-hmm.
and obviously I took that. Okay, I checked the entire chart and I have entered. Then I sold for that around 65% immediately within 5 minutes.
Oh, got it. Got it. Okay.
Yeah, because when we want to take the trades, we have to concentrate on the charts. Like we have to give the time. If we
Got it.
don't have time, don't take day trade.
Got it. Got it. And when we are talking about the risk, right? So you said if you take a position for 10,000 and if
Hmm.
it goes down 6,000, that's fine. You'll just close the position. But let's just say someone, for example, their whole portfolio in itself is $10,000. Not
Yeah,
many of them not even, don't even have 10,000. Some may even have like, 2,000, 3,000, right?
got
So
it.
let's say take an example. They have a portfolio of $10,000.
Hmm.
How much do you think should they take or spend on each trade?
I mean, if I am that person, I will I will take only one call on that particular strike.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if I lose 25% or 30%, I can max effort on it. Loss. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I will close immediately. I don't wait for the alerts or reminders, whatever.
Okay.
Okay, so at the same time, opposite, if it is going uptrend,
Mm-hmm.
I will go with 15%, 20%, 25% like that. That's it.
So profit, so risk reward is pretty much
Same,
1:1 at the point at
same.
that. Okay.
Yes.
And then how much should be the position size? Should they take a call for 10% of their portfolio, which is $1,000, or should they just take like $100 or $200 calls puts if it is
My
a $10,000 account?
okay, $10,000 account. I can say like 8%.
So each position they can go up to 8%.
Yes, maximum positions I will go like 4, 5 positions. That's it. I don't
Four,
go
five
like
positions and 8% total.
8% on each strike. Whatever, if whether if it is a spy, whatever it is, Nvidia, Tesla. If you
Okay.
don't get Tesla, don't go. Don't take
Okay.
don't take much pressure on you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Whatever you are comfortable, you can choose that strike on Tesla.
Mm-hmm.
Then, if you see 10% green on that particular strike, just
Mm-hmm.
sell it. No problem. You
Okay.
gain 10% on it.
Okay. Got it. So risk 8% per trade, and then pretty much the risk to reward is 1:1. Somewhere around 10 to 25% is what you suggest for small accounts.
Yes.
Okay. Got it. Um, and then I mean it's same for from a portfolio sizing, right? Like would you have a lot of your portfolio exposed to the gap up and gap downs for swing, or do you prefer having your portfolio pretty much in day trade, most of it?
Uh, as I said before we start the recording, I have the investment account separate and day trade account separate. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Whenever I choose options, I will go on the day trade account.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
So you don't mix and match.
whenever I choose swing trade or long trades, I go with the investment account. whether it is stocks or options, whatever.
Okay, got it.
I have time means that, which is called like, if I took the 1 year long strike,
Hmm.
leaf calls, okay,
Hmm.
leaf calls, I will go on the investment account.
Investment, the long-term one, since you
Yeah,
have time there. Okay,
yeah.
okay, got it. So you don't use any indicators, pure candlesticks, ATR, and
I,
that's it.
yeah, one more time I am telling that I will use only ATR. I don't go any scanners, nothing. I don't do anything. I will always concentrate on the candle only.
Got it. The
That's why
patterns.
that's why I will go fast,
Okay,
because
okay,
I don't know whether next candle is coming green or not. Okay.
right,
I
right.
mean, sometimes I may fail. I know that. But
Hmm.
at the end of the day, I am going for positive note only.
Right, got it, got it. Um, that I think we pretty much covered from how you pick your stocks to how you enter, how you exit your stop loss. That's awesome. And if I may ask, let's look at only in percentage. Do you remember your biggest profit percentage trade and the biggest loss as well? Biggest loss is obviously probably 100%, but do you remember your highest profit percentage in terms of percentage
I mean, in the TS alerts or whatever in my life.
in your whole trading career, trading?
Whole trading career is Moderona, which is minimum 1200, maximum 1800%.
Okay, so 1800% is your highest profit percentage.
Yeah.
And then is there an average percentage? If you have to average your profit percentage, what would be your average percentage? Do you
Uh,
try
you
to
know,
close it?
like, if example I am saying I have 10 calls,
Hmm.
okay, I will close the calls, 30% calls at the 35%, 30%, 20% like that. Okay.
Uh-huh,
I
uh-huh.
mean, 20% I never, because if I want to close at the 20%, I will fold everything.
Okay, okay,
Whatever
got it.
calls I have, I will close at 20% only. Okay. I
Hmm.
know, I know, if it is going like uptrend, I will wait for that, and 30% of the strikes I will sell, like 35%, 30% like that, and
Hmm.
then again immediately, like around 70, 80% like that.
Okay,
And
got it.
also it depends on the market moving.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Got it. And then I mean, when I was talking to you, I noticed your psychological state. You were actually saying if you have 10,000, if you lose 6,000, you don't even think about it for a second, right? I mean, you accept the loss. It is what it is. You don't sit there and wait for all the 10,000 to vanish. I think that's one important psychological aspect that I think our
After
listeners
that,
will have to
after that,
understand.
what? Yeah, yeah. Sorry. After that, what I will do?
Hmm.
If I got loss on that particular day,
Hmm.
I don't trade at all on that day.
Got it. You don't do revenge trading.
Yeah,
Okay,
I don't
that's
go
great.
emotions. I
Exactly.
don't go FOMO. Okay. If I
Hmm.
if I if I lost, yes, the day is not mine. I will.
Right, right,
And also our channel people, nobody will see my alerts on that day.
right, right. Yeah, there's no point in revenge trading and losing everything that we have.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
good to
we
take
have
break.
yes, we have another day, right? Always every trader has another day.
Exactly, and that's I think is the important thing. Like, don't revenge trade. Don't go against the market. If it is not your day, that's fine. There's always another day.
Yep, yep.
All right.
We have to wait for the opportunity to grab it.
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much, Krishna. And do you want to add anything? I think I covered all my questions that I have. Do you want to add anything?
I want to tell one thing about how I choose my ER calls and puts.
Sure.
Okay, just for like for fun.
Sure.
Like example, we have more retailers like Walmart, Target, Costco.
Mm-hmm.
these are all groceries, like, right? So
Uh-huh.
whenever I go shopping along with my family,
Uh-huh.
I don't check the products there. I mean,
Okay.
they are there for that. I will look into the hampers which they are carrying. Like, hampers means like baskets, whatever.
Okay.
Like average, I can gesture that grocery. If I go and see Walmart, if I see like in 5 minutes or 10 minutes time period, 10 checkouts or 15 checkouts are there. The
Mm-hmm.
average sale for 10 minutes would be around $400 for Walmart,
Okay.
for 10 people checkout.
Okay.
Like that, I will choose, like, okay, this quarter, and also I will go with the options flow also.
Okay.
Okay, like that, I will choose the year calls.
Oh, I see. And then what if it is something that you cannot see? What if it is, some.
Then definitely I will go again and again. Okay.
Mhm.
Especially year time, like, I will go more often. I will visit the stores.
Okay. Oh, I see. That's an interesting that's an interesting theory there.
And also who are the floor managers? I will
Uh-huh.
ask them, hey buddy, how is the business?
Nice.
I
Okay.
mean, they will look at me like, why this guy is asking, but I don't care. If he want to know, I will tell that, okay, I am a investor on this company.
Okay.
I have a lot of shares. I want to know how it's going. Like, I don't see anybody here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And then what's your success rate on this theory?
Mm, I can. Same. Like,
Because years is almost like you either get all or you lose all, right? And then
I can say, like, I got famous 2 year calls only in our in our
so,
TS channel.
so what if it is about if it is on a product, my Walmart, you can go inside and see the
Yeah.
sales. You can talk to the managers.
Mhm.
Maybe Apple, you can go to Apple stores. Target, you can go to Target. But on companies that you cannot interact, what do you do there? How is it that you play those ER plays?
Good
Um,
question. Good question. Good question. Definitely, everybody has to know this one. Okay.
mhm.
So, then what I do is I will create the watch list for that.
Okay.
Okay. So, example, 2 weeks before, I will choose one call option and one put option.
Okay.
Both I will choose. Okay.
Mhm.
Same strike,
Okay.
same date,
Okay.
no matter how much volume on it, no matter what, because we are not buying it.
Right.
Okay. So I will choose both of them,
Mhm.
and at the end of the week, like, which one is the profitable
Okay.
trade, I will check
Mhm.
that. If it is put, then most of the time I am not going to hold that till year complete.
Okay.
Okay, most of the time I don't, because like 70%, 80% I will fold that one before
Okay.
year only. Okay.
Okay.
Call wise, when we are seeing that more volume is growing, I will hold that. I
Okay.
will take the
If
position on it.
okay, so if call is going up and up, you will basically hold the calls and then
Hold the call, and I will check the whales purchasing, how many whales are purchasing, how much they are investing on it.
okay. So you'll buy 2 weeks in advance, so you will not get
I
into the
don't
IV crush.
just make sure I don't buy that. I don't buy it.
Or you will not buy it.
I will add on the watch list.
Oh, you will add the straddle on the watch list. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, I see. Okay.
When I want to buy, I will wait until 1 week. Like, year is on next week.
Mm-hmm.
Today, I am going to check that. Okay, how many whales are buying it? if I
Mm-hmm.
don't see like 20 million or 15 million like that,
Mm-hmm.
I don't buy it. I will wait one more day.
Okay, got it. And then,
If it is, yeah, if it is more than 20 million, 25 millions, definitely I'm going to take the call immediate.
and that is on the summary on this one, right? This
Yeah,
that is not the live flow, that is the flow summary.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
for one
Flows.
full day.
Yep, yep.
Okay, so here you look, what is the flow? Is it more bullish or more bearish? Okay. And then you will check how your options are doing, and then you will take a call or a put a week before. So you will
Yes.
not buy all the IV. You will basically,
I will check.
well,
I will check IV. I will check IV. Without IV, I mean, when I want to enter, that time I will check the IV.
okay, got it. It's usually high a week before, or few days before the ER. The IV will usually go up, and then they call it the IV crush when the ER comes out because there is no more speculation on it. So buying it a week in advance is probably helping you to deal with that IV crush, I believe.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I do, right? So 2 weeks before I will go for the watch list.
Uh-huh. And then which brokerage will you use for the watch list? Is it Robinhood? I think they have the watch list for options.
Yeah.
Okay, got it, got it. That's amazing. This is a nice trick. Do you have any other tricks like this up
And
your
uh,
sleeve?
and and gigs wise, I will check the delta above 3. I mean, most of the time.
Okay, you want anything that's about like 30
Yeah,
percent. Okay,
yeah. Point
so 30.
point three
Point
zero.
three
Yep.
zero. So
Yeah.
okay, you want it to be above 3. Okay, 30. That's good. Awesome. That's a great tip. Some of our guys could use it.
Yeah.
I'll start using it. Amazing. Thank you so much, Krishna. And thank you so much for spending time. And to all the listeners, the moment I asked Krishna for this interview, he right away said, "Sure, let's do it for our group." Thank you so much for spending time, and I hope some of our listeners will gain some knowledge and get use of these tips and tricks, and probably they'll improve their trading as well.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. Always for our community.
Thank you. Awesome. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Bye bye.
Thanks.